Hello and welcome to part 3 of our EDIUS 10 preview. In part 1 we discussed the new background rendering options and the extended GPU support. In part 2 we tried out the new EDIUS Edition audio filters to denoise, deverberate and optimize the quality of audio recordings. If you should have missed either part, you can still view them in our EDIUS.NET YouTube channel. Today we focus on the new video effects. We have 3 major topics to cover. The motion tracker with new functions for object following and anchoring, the extended titler with new functions and even more possibilities for complex titles, a great new effect package including seamless video transitions as wished by many users. So let's dive right in. We start with the new functions of the EDIUS 10 motion tracker. The EDIUS.NET podcast team has prepared for us this presentation.
Before EDIUS 10, motion tracking was already possible by using the mask filter. This allowed you to use all kinds of filters on the tracked object. So you could, for example, easily change the color of an object or pixelate a face. With EDIUS 10, you can now also attach something to a tracked object. This can be done with the layouter or the transform filter. The new motion tracker can work in 2 different modes, the chase mode and the anchor mode. Let's take a closer look at the chase mode first. Here, we have a video clip of Jenny talking on the phone about her shopping experience. We would like to introduce her by attaching her name with the motion tracker. The Jenny title shall move together with her. On the EDIUS timeline, the video clip lies on the V1 video track. The title is placed on the V2 track above. We open the layouter for the title in the V2 track. In the menu bar above, we click on the Tracking tab and then select the Chase mode lower layer. Now we can use the arrow tool to mark Jenny's face for the tracking. We now start motion tracking on the layouter timeline. As soon as the analysis is finished, we click on Transform in the menu bar above and adjust the position and size of the title. We then confirm our settings with OK. Besides the title, we can also use a video or an animation. The second motion tracking mode the layouter offers is the anchor mode. The anchor mode allows you to automatically reposition an object or person. In our example, we have footage of a business presentation where the speaker keeps moving in front of the camera. In addition, no tripod was used, so the recording is somewhat shaky. Since both can be distracting, we want to track the speaker and anchor his position. To do that, we use the layouter and click on the Tracking tab. Here, we choose the anchor mode, upper layer. We mark the speaker with the arrow tool and start the tracking on the layouter timeline. The position of the tracked object gets automatically put into the center. To get rid of the resulting black borders, we scale and reposition the video. We then confirm our settings with OK. This anchor tracking mode is also useful if you need to change the aspect ratio of your video. This video was shot in 16:9. But if we now change the format to 9:16, for example for portrait mode or Instagram, the speaker will always remain visible and centered. Of course, we can also combine the speaker with his presentation. We simply generate a picture-in-picture effect with the presentation in the background. We apply the transform filter on the clip with the speaker. We open the filter and resize the clip and then click on crop so we can crop out the area of the video which we need. Now we click on the Transform tab and place the cropped area in the right position. If you want, you can also add a border and shadow. We then confirm our changes with OK. Using the anchor mode can also be very useful if you need to attract more attention to a small detail in a video. For example, for police work it is often necessary to have a close-up of a detail, while still being able to observe the whole scene.
Whether you're shooting in high-resolution handheld or from a tripod, the dynamic anchor option allows you to track your chosen object and automatically reframe the picture. This is also great for social media. Have your shot automatically recomposed in any desired aspect ratio, like 9:16 or 1:1. And the new chase mode of the motion tracker also allows new creative design possibilities in titling. Speaking of titling, we also have titler news. EDIUS 9 is bundled with the Titler Pro 5, and many users very much like the great presets and the looks. For EDIUS 10, Grass Valley asked New Blue for a comprehensive optimization and tighter integration. In the special EDIUS 10 version, the new Titler Pro 7 delivers great performance and stability and is especially suited for complex animated titles, rolling titles and lower thirds. The EDIUS.NET podcast team prepared a trailer showing new functions and what the titles look like. Don't you agree? The look and the new functions are really great, and you achieve perfect results within the shortest time. And Titler Pro 7 now also features motion blur for an even more organic and dynamic look. Many EDIUS users have also wished this look to be available for transitions. EDIUS 10 now comes with a broad collection of seamless transitions. Before we get into the details, let's see the seamless transitions in action. was really nice. Seamless transitions are great for any kind of video, as well as to enhance title graphics. To achieve those great transitions, Grasvelli teamed up with the video effects specialist Prodot. Together, they developed a collection of unique seamless transition effects exclusive for EDIUS 10, the VitaScene version 4 EDIUS edition. We have seen some great examples how you can make your videos stand out applying these transitions. You may use one of the over 100 supplied seamless transition presets for an ultra-fast workflow and very convincing results. But if you like to, you can customize those effects to your individual footage, including precise keyframe timing. And VitaScene version 4 EDIUS edition does not only feature over 100 seamless transitions. As a great benefit, it also features the over 250 effects and filters of Prodot VitaScene version 3 LE. To find more information about this great collection, please see our EDIUS podcast about Prodot VitaScene version 3 LE. This makes it the most versatile bundled package for stunning transitions, filters, and to enhance your graphics and titles. Imagine all the tools and possibilities EDIUS 10 provides you to do your editing fast and creatively. EDIUS 10 is reliable as before. EDIUS 10 has just gotten even better by offering an almost unstoppable workflow, thanks to the new background rendering options. EDIUS 10 offers a broader GPU support, leveraging the power of modern PCs even more. And EDIUS 10 comes with the newest audio tools, titling options, and video effects. All that will make your editing experience even more enjoyable and make your work stand out. So, when will EDIUS 10 be available? And with this, we say hi to Alex in Kobe, Japan. Alex, thank you so much for again giving us the opportunity to already explore and demonstrate the new functions.
Hi, Michael. You're welcome, and it's always a pleasure seeing the creative results of our work.
Thank you, Alex. So please help us with our final question. When will EDIUS 10 be available, and what about the pricing?
The pricing will be basically the same as EDIUS 9. So we're going to keep the current price for both EDIUS Pro and EDIUS Workgroup.
So users will be able to purchase EDIUS 10 starting from $199 for the upgrade and the educational version. This is also good news, no subscription model and still very affordable.
Yes, Michael. We understand that the current buy once, use lifetime model and the free upgrades coming through the EDIUS 10 lifecycle is very important for our current user base. But additionally, we are planning to provide more flexible purchasing options for our users.
Yes, and for larger broadcast facilities and government institutions, there are also additional license models available, right?
Yes, those are already available upon agreement. Licensing types such as site licenses and floating licenses we already do provide to customers currently.
Alex, when will EDIUS 10 be available?
We are right on schedule. EDIUS 10 will be ready for download on September 15th, so just a few more weeks to go.
Thank you very much, Alex. Please keep safe in Kobe, and let's hope we can soon meet again in person.
Yes, Michael. The whole EDIUS team looks forward to meeting the great EDIUS community directly and seeing each other. But unfortunately, this year, we would not be able to see each other at IBC. Hopefully next year, 2021, we'll be able to see each other with a smile. Thank you.
And this almost concludes part 3 of our EDIUS 10 preview. And what we discussed in our preview are just the top features of EDIUS 10.0 only. Grasvelli will continuously update and enhance EDIUS 10 with new functions and tools during the lifecycle of EDIUS 10. The Grasvelli development team is already working on exciting features planned for EDIUS 10.1, focusing social media related requirements, database driven project handling, further enhanced media management and collaboration options. To work with EDIUS 10 as a fast and future-proof solution is not only fun and creative. Grass Valley's business model and roadmap for EDIUS 10 does also protect your investment. For further details, free tutorials and EDIUS podcasts, please visit EDIUS.NET or the respective EDIUS website for your country. We hope you have enjoyed our small EDIUS 10 preview series. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Our EDIUS.NET team and I will be happy to assist you. And we look forward to presenting more exciting EDIUS 10 features in the future. Thank you and bye-bye for now.